In this exam application tutorial, we're looking at the periodic table. The question for 3 marks: explain why Mendeleev left gaps in his early version of the periodic table. So, how are elements arranged in the periodic table, and what would cause a scientist not to place an element in the same group as other elements? So, elements are arranged in groups where they share similar properties. So all these are very reactive metals, all these are completely unreactive nonmetals, whereas the group 7 halogens are very reactive nonmetals. So groups were formed by putting elements underneath other elements which had similar properties. So you can see lithium and sodium have similar properties, fluorine and chlorine have similar properties. So gaps were left to replace elements that did not share properties with other elements in the group. So if you imagine if this was a group and you notice that this one didn't share the properties of this one, it probably meant it shouldn't go there. So Mendeleev used to sort of shift them along and leave gaps, assuming that something else which we haven't discovered, which needs to be discovered, will go in this group.